Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So this is week 3 assignment of the course cloud computing. Guys, please watch the video till the end without skipping and definitely like the video and please share the video with your friends and classmates through WhatsApp college student groups so that it will be reachable to other students also like you and they will also get benefited like you. So guys, for the past 5 years we are providing the solutions for various NPTEL courses including cloud computing guys. I hope almost all solutions are 100% correct, but if you feel there should be any changes to be made, please bring it to my notice so I'll update in the comment section. So let's see the first question guys. So let's see the first one. Which of the following system or architecture follows quorum protocol for a large number of concurrent reads and writes? So for first question the answer is option C, Dynamo. Option C, Dynamo guys. So mark option C as correct answer for first question. Now moving on to the second one. Second question, they are given two statements. So first one, in ephemeral storage, the stored objects persist until the VM is terminated. So it is correct statement only. And coming to the second statement, the ephemeral storage is managed by Cinder in OpenStack. So it is absolutely false statement. So the answer is option A. Statement 1 is true, statement 2 is false. So mark option A as correct answer for second question. Now let's move on to the third one guys. Third question. Column oriented storage is efficient for data warehouse workloads. Is that true or false? So the answer is option A, true guys. Option A, true. So mark option A as correct answer for third question. Now let's move on to the fourth one. The fourth question. Horizon is a dash self-service portal to interact with underlying OpenStack services. So for fourth question, the answer is option C guys. It's a web-based self-service portal. Web-based self-service portal. Guys, please share the video with your friends and classmates guys through WhatsApp college student groups so that it will be reachable for other students also. And definitely like the video and subscribe our channel for more updates. So fifth question guys. What is the parallel efficiency of an algorithm when a task takes time t in uniprocessor system? P is number of processes, M is time taken by each processor. So formula is option D, efficiency equals T by P into M. T by P into M. So mark option D. Now moving on to the sixth question. Guys, before getting into the sixth question, I want to make a small announcement. So with 5 years of NPTEL experience, we have prepared the exam preparation MCQs guys for the course cloud computing. So here you will get a huge number of 300 MCQs guys, which is more than 2 seasons of NPTEL questions, more than 2 seasons related questions. So here you will cover almost all of the syllabus guys. Here you are getting huge number of 300 MCQs through a Google Drive PDF link. So last time we have sold it for 500 rupees, but now we have reduced the single person price in order to reduce burden on students. So for one person it is just 300 rupees only guys from now onwards, and for 2 to 5 persons combinedly it is 500 guys. So it's better to combine with your friends and classmates in order to reduce each individual price. If you are only one person, no problem, we are providing it for just 300 rupees only guys. So this is the email ID you have to mail me for. I will give the same email ID in the description box as well as in the comment section. So only message me guys if you want to purchase this pack. For any other doubts, no need to message me. You can ask me in the YouTube comment section so that we can proceed for the payment. So how to make it? Already many students have taken for the past 2 years, guys, and I got many good reviews that many questions are repeated in the examination. So it's better to prepare from now itself, guys, so that you can adjust time for other subjects also. So don't get till the last minute, guys. So take it from now itself and start preparing, guys. So these MCQs are very well prepared, 100% NPTEL syllabus oriented, guys. And there is another thing called YouTube membership video. So here there will be two parts of cloud computing videos. So 100 plus MCQs will be covered, but it is in a video format, not PDF, guys. So if you want this 89 rupee video format for one person and for 1 month, just go to our channel page. So S Kumar Reduce, type in the search box. There is join button beside the subscribe button. Click on that.
Hello guys.
And select this 89 per month pack and click on join and make payment, guys. That's it. You will become a member of our channel and you can get access to all of our members only videos. So here you can see that we have already prepared cloud computing part 1 and part 2 videos, guys. So hurry up, guys, if you want to this 18 just 89 rupees only, 89 rupees videos, you'll get 100 plus MCQs here. But my suggestion is, if you want to cover exam oriented syllabus, it's better to take 300 MCQs pack, guys, so that you can cover large amount of syllabus within these 300 MCQs. For one person it is 300 rupees, guys. For 2 to 5 persons it is 500 rupees. Or if you want only 89 rupees video, no need to message me, guys. You can directly go to our channel and join our channel. If you want this 300 MCQs pack, definitely you have to message me to this email ID, guys. So now let's get back to the syllabus. So sixth question. In cloud, service downtime is 30 minutes and availability of the service is 0.80. What is the service uptime? So the formula is availability equal to 1 minus downtime by uptime. So finally you will get uptime equal to 150, guys. So answer is option C, 150 minutes. Now moving on to the seventh question, guys. Seventh question. Which of the following is or are not SLA requirements of PaaS cloud delivery model? So for seventh question, there are two probable solutions, guys. The first one is option B, privacy, and the next one is option D, certification. So mark option B and D, guys. Now moving on to the eighth question, guys. Eighth one. What does the availability metric represent in the monitoring and auditing of SLAs? So what is meant by availability in this topic? So for eighth question, the answer is option D, guys. The percentage of uptime for a service. So mark option D, guys. Moving on to the ninth question now. Ninth one. What architecture is used in a parallel database for the efficient execution of SQL queries? Efficient execution of SQL queries. So for ninth question, the answer is, so I am going with option C, guys. Shared nothing architecture. Shared nothing architecture. So if you guys differ with my solution, you can please give your opinion in the comment section, guys. But I think almost all of these solutions are 100% correct. Now let's move on to the final question. That is 10th one. So before moving into this 10th question, I want to once again make you remember, guys. So we are giving you huge number of 300 MCQs, guys. 300 MCQs through a Google Drive restricted link PDF. So for one person it is 300 rupees and for 2 to 5 persons it is 500, just 500 rupees only, guys, combinedly. So message me to this email ID if you want to purchase our pack. Already many students have taken our pack and got benefited. So for YouTube membership, you will get just 100 plus MCQs, but at a price of very less price, guys, 89 rupees. per month and for one person. If you want this, just go to our channel directly and join our channel, guys. With 5 years of NPTEL experience, we have prepared this exam preparation MCQs, guys. So now let's move on to this solutions. Final solution, guys. Dash is used for networking services in OpenStack. Networking and for OpenStack. So the answer is option B, guys. Neutron. Neutron is the answer. So mark option B, guys. So friends, these are the solutions for week 3 assignment of cloud computing. So hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel, like this video, and definitely share that with your friends, guys. And please share this news of 300 MCQs with your friends and classmates, and you can combinedly buy, guys. So for 2 to 5 persons, if you can combine, then it will be, the PDF will be coming for all of you for combined price of 500, guys. So individually the price will be reduced among you, and if you are one person, no need to disappoint, guys. We have reduced the price from 500 to 300 in order to benefit you students. So for one person it is just 300 rupees only, guys. So that's it, guys, for this video. So keep supporting us like this. So until the next video, goodbye, thank you.